Hello, this is Sankalp from Influence. Today we'll be discussing about goals. You can set campaign goals and get deeper insights into website visitor journey. You can set numerous goals for a single campaign and track user behaviors with the statistics. Goal allows you to identify and track a specific action that you want people to take on your website. For example, maybe your campaign's goal is to influence people to subscribe on a particular form or just a sign up. A goal gives you the insight into your website visitors' conversion, hit rate, and your campaign's effectiveness in swaying the visitors to make a specific action. To create a goal, we need to first click on the Create button from the Goals tab. There are three categories of goal tracking in Influence. Purchase. If you wish to track the conversion rates of purchases on your website generated because of the notification that appears on the website, you need to select Purchase. Sign up or subscribe. If you wish to track the number of signups on a website generated because of the notifications that appear on a website, you need to select Subscribe or Sign up. Page visits. If you wish to track the increase in the number of visits on a website generated because of the notifications that appear on your website, you need to select page visits. For our example purpose, today we'll be selecting subscribe or signups. We need to name a goal. The conversion value for subscribe, sign up, or page visit will always be 1. For goal category purchase, this would be the average ticket size of your purchase tickets. Enter target path. The page you wish to track for your goals needs to be mentioned here. In this field, you need not mention the whole URL, but only the path will do. For example, this thank you page. Description. Here you need to mention a small description of your goals. Once you have filled in all the details, click on the Create Goal button. You will receive a message that the goal has been created successfully. All the goals created are shown over here at the middle of the screen. To see each and every goal details and how your goals are performing, just click on them. A window will appear will show the statistics of all your goals. For any other details, please use the chat box inside your Influence dashboard. Thank you.